In this video, I will show you how to add CAPTCHA in WordPress contact form. Let's get started. So we need to install two plugins. First plugin is called this contact form by WPForms. The second plugin is also called Contact Form 7 reCAPTCHA. So when you search for this, you should be able to just see this right here. So make sure to also just try to install this whoever you want. Now, once you have installed those two plugins, you can head over to your sidebar and you should be able to see in here the WP forms. So here it is, and you can see all your forms right here when you click on it. So just head over and choose the forms that you want to open. I have opened this contact form that I have, and I have in here this option for CAPTCHA. Now, if I try to drag it right here, or if I try to click on it, it won't add the CAPTCHA. This is because I need to complete the setup in the WP form settings. So head over and click on it, and this is what it looks like. So just choose if you are going to use reCAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA, turnstile, or no. So for this one, let's head over and use reCAPTCHA. So let's head back right here to our first tab. And then let's locate the contact form 7. It's located in the settings, and you can see in here the contact form 7 CAPTCHA. So head over and click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So you can choose reCAPTCHA or HCAPTCHA. For this one, let's choose reCAPTCHA. And on this right here, we should be able to see this side key. So let's head over and copy this. And let's paste it right here on the side key that they want. And let's also get the secret key in here as well. And let's put it right here. Now head over and click on the save settings right here. And then once you have saved the settings, we can now head back right here to our WP Forms builder. So head over and click on this CAPTCHA now. And then in here, make sure that this has been enabled. So let's head over and make sure to enable this. And once you see that particular window right here, it's been enabled. So head over and click on this save option right here. And then the CAPTCHA should be up here once you have actually someone filling out the form. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.